Welcome to the Secret Agent Academy today. You're embarking on your very first mission. Mission 1, the Invisible Eye. Your objective? To build a real working periscope that lets you see around corners, just like a top-tier spy. This is a crucial skill for any field. Agent, if you successfully complete this mission, you'll earn your first official agent badge and take one step closer to becoming a master agent. The world of secrets is waiting. Are you ready to accept your mission? Let's begin. To be a successful spy, sometimes you have to be invisible. Our periscope will help us see things without being seen. For today's mission prep, you'll need a few common household items. First, grab an empty cereal box. This will form the body of our periscope. Next, you'll need small mirrors. These are the secret to our spy gadget. Finally, you'll need a pair of safety scissors and some tape. That's all. But how does this simple equipment let us see round walls? It's all thanks to a scientific principle called the law of reflection. Think about it like this. When light hits a mirror, it bounces off. If we angle the mirror just right, we can control where that light goes. It's like bouncing a super ball off a wall to get it around a corner. Light travels in a straight line, but with mirrors, we can make it zigzag. We're going to set our mirrors at a special 45-degree angle. When light from an object hits the first mirror, it will bounce down the tube at a perfect angle to hit the second mirror. Then, the second mirror will bounce that light directly into your eye. You'll be seeing the object as if you were looking right at it, but from a hidden location. This isn't magic. It's pure science, and it's the key to becoming a master of surveillance. Now that you have your gear and understand the science, let's move on to the build phase. All right, agents, it's time to assemble your equipment. This is the build phase. Grab your cereal box and your safety scissors. First, we need to create our viewing windows. Near the top of the box, on one of the wider sides, carefully cut a small, square window. This is where the light will enter our periscope. Now, let's move to the opposite side of the box. But down near the bottom, cut another identical square window here. This will be your eyepiece, where you'll look through. Next, we need to install our mirrors. This is the most important part, so pay close attention. Take your first mirror. We need to place it inside the box, right behind the top window you just cut. It needs to be at a 45-degree angle, facing down toward the bottom of the box. You want the reflective side to catch the light coming through the top window. Use some tape to secure it firmly in place. It's like building a slide for light. Now for the second mirror. This one goes inside the box at the bottom, right behind your eyepiece window. It also needs to be at a 45-degree angle, but this time it should be facing up toward the first mirror. When you look through the eyepiece, you should be looking directly at the reflection in this bottom mirror. Secure it with tape, just like the first one. Your mirrors should be parallel to each other. It's like a zigzag for your eyes. You're essentially creating a secret tunnel for light to travel down. Double-check that both mirrors are secure and angled correctly. Congratulations, Agent. You have just constructed your very own spy periscope. Now, for the most exciting part, the field test. Agents, your periscopes are assembled. It's time for the field test. Every spy gadget must be tested under real-world conditions before it can be approved for official use. Our target for today is the high-security cookie jar. It is located in a heavily guarded area of the kitchen counter, and we can't be seen approaching it. This is the perfect test of our new surveillance device. Let's find a hiding spot, like behind a chair or around a doorway. This is your cover. Now, hold your periscope vertically. Point the top window, the one that lets light in, over your cover and toward the cookie jar. Keep the rest of your body and the periscope hidden. Now, bring your eye to the bottom window, your eyepiece. Look through it. What do you see? Can you see the target? Can you read the label on the cookie jar? You should be able to see it clearly, even though you are completely hidden from view. Success! The light from the cookie jar is traveling into your top mirror, bouncing down to your bottom mirror. and then bouncing directly into your eye. You have eyes where no one expects them. It feels like magic, but remember, it's science that gives you this power. You've successfully used the law of reflection to conduct covert surveillance. You're seeing around a corner. This is a fundamental skill for any agent. Excellent work. Your Periscope is field approved. Mission 1 complete. You have successfully built and tested your invisible eye periscope. You have demonstrated an understanding of stealth, engineering, and the scientific principles of light. For this achievement, I am proud to award you your very first agent badge. You are now officially recognized as a surveillance scout in the Secret Agent Academy. Your skills in observation and gadget creation are off to an incredible start. But this is just the beginning of your journey. There are many more secrets to uncover and skills to learn. Your next mission, should you choose to accept it, is Part 2, Ghostwriting. In this next lesson, we will learn how to create and reveal messages using invisible ink. It's the ultimate way to pass secret notes that no one else can read. To unlock your next mission and continue your training to become a master agent, hit that red subscribe button now. Your next assignment is waiting. Well done, agent. Dismissed.